Hey, how's it going, folks? It's DJ with Rapid Squirrel Garage. We got the scooter sold right there. See that scooter? It got sold. But I bought a new belt for it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put a new belt on it for the person who bought it, and then I'll be delivering it to him in a day or two. All right, let's get into it. I'm going to go ahead and get this belt changed. Okay, normally I'd be doing this on my lift, but I've currently got a Honda CB1000C up there, so I can't use my lift for this right now. So this is quick and easy, so I'm just going to do it right here. Here we go. This is like a 15-minute job, if that. You probably don't like staring at the back of my head, huh? Let me move you around over here, maybe. If that's any better. Now that, I believe, is a 17 or a 19 millimeter. So let's figure that out. Yeah, 19, that's what I thought. Okay. Yeah, there we go. All right, let's get that off. This piece should just pull off of here. Why is it not coming off? Alright, let me get my rubber hammer. Yep, there we go. Okay. And here's the old belt. We're just going to scoot it out of there. And here's the new belt. Yep, looks the same. Actually, the old belt doesn't look that bad. Well, yeah, it's got cracks in it. And it's called a Bando VS belt. Variable drive. Alright, so let's get the new one put on. There we go. Alright, now we're cooking with fire. Alright, let's get this put back together. That was it. Just it's that quick and easy. we go. Alright, let's take it for a quick ride up and down this driveway and see how it does. Put my dog in the house for it. Alright, well that's going to do it for the Buddy scooter. It's got a new belt on it, and this is now sold, so I'll be delivering it to the person here in a couple days, and we'll be good. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned something new. I know I did. I do every time I work on a bike or scooter. Still a bike. I like it anyway. So, yeah, if you could, go ahead and like the video and subscribe to the channel if you want. I would much appreciate it. Y'all have a good one. Catch you on the next video.